Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning up a little bit after the Super Bowl. I have a few new things for the kids. I have a recipe. I'm going to be decluttering and doing a little bit of cleaning in the kitchen. So let's get started. Alright, so Blake's birthday was the same day as the Super Bowl, so he had a little bit of a combo party. It was a Super Bowl party slash birthday party, and this is actually a few days later, and these are the decorations that they wanted to keep up. But since it is Valentine's Day today, I am going to take some of this stuff down, and then I'm going to put together a little after school Valentine's snack for the kids. So one thing about us, we love watching the Super Bowl. We always make it a big deal every single year in our house. No matter what teams are playing, we're actually Carolina Panthers fans. And Rihanna's halftime performance, you guys, was the best. I was so excited and I just can't stop watching that performance. I feel like I watch it like every single day. And as a former dancer, I have probably learned the entire halftime performance. Before I hand wash a couple of dishes, I'm going to finish loading the dishwasher. And in case you guys are wondering, I use the Cascade Platinum dish pods. I love those. Those seem to work really well for me. I've used different brands in the past, but I feel like this is the one that I'm the most happy with. I'm not doing too much in-depth cleaning in today's video, but I am planning on doing a whole house clean with me video coming up soon, where you guys are going to see a lot of cleaning, so stick around for that. But for now, I'm just going to do a few things here and there that I need to get done.
Saw you paint a picture of a face, that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same.
Alright, so now I'm going to set up the kids after school Valentine's Day snack with things that they don't get often, like little pieces of candy, chocolates, things like that. It's just for the two of them, so it's not going to look the fanciest. I'm not going to go overboard and put a ton of candy and different things that I'm not even sure if they're going to eat on a tray when they're just going to kind of pick off of it when they get home. So I'm going to do a mixture of fruits, vegetables, and sweet treats. And I tried to pick out things that I think they might like, along with things that I know that they'll like. And I also picked up this little Valentine's Day door cover. I'm just going to put on the front of our laundry room door just for today, and then I'm just going to take it down.
'Cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I
So I got this 3-tiered tray. I think it was like $12.99 or something. I got it at like HomeGoods or TJ Maxx or somewhere like that. I literally cannot remember, but I got it when we first got married about 13 years ago. And this thing gets used a lot. So I'm really happy I held on to this one.
Even though you wouldn't do the same.
So like I said earlier, it's not the fanciest, it's not one of my best charcuterie boards or anything like that. It's just a sweet little surprise for Valentine's Day for the kids for their after school snack. So I threw in some strawberries, blueberries, apples, mozzarella, some chips, carrots with ranch, some little nerd covered gummies, some sour gummies, yogurt covered pretzels, and I think that was about it. The kids actually ended up eating almost everything on here except the yogurt covered pretzels. They did not like those, but everything else was a hit. I know this was a quick changeover, but this is actually the next day, so I'm going to be taking down all the decorations. I'm going to keep the balloons up, but everything else is going to go. Doing a lot of flip-flopping in today's video. So now I'm upstairs in the kids' room. I'm gonna take their quilts off of their bed and switch them out for their solid colored black comforters, just because I'm not really feeling their quilts. I'm actually not even liking the solid black ones that I'm gonna be putting up there. I'm still on the hunt for some really good bedding for their room. I haven't done any decorating or anything in here. I'm still trying to figure all of that out right now. I actually really like the Betty's bedding, and if you guys don't know Betty's, it's a really cool like bedding concept, especially if you have bunk beds. The only thing is it's super expensive. It's like $200 or $300 per bed for some bedding. So yeah, I'm still thinking about that. Not sure if I'm gonna go with it, but I really love how it looks and I love the whole concept of it. So yeah, we'll see. So if you have boys, you know how limited the clothing section is wherever you go. So whenever they come out with a new line for a different season, we always just kind of get everything that we want right then and there. And every time we buy clothes, we pretty much just end up buying 2 of everything because they're so close in age. And yeah, I'm just showing you guys everything that we picked up at Target. Alright, so moving on to my suitcase. It's been sitting here for a few days now since I've been back home. You guys saw my last video, or whatever video I did pack, and I went away. That's why you guys didn't see a video from me last Sunday. But I am back now and I'm finally unpacking. All of my clothes are clean because I did go visit my mom, so I didn't have to worry about coming home with dirty clothes. Before I hang up my clothes out of my suitcase, I'm gonna go through my closet and go through everything and just declutter as much as possible, especially anything that I haven't worn this winter, this past fall, even in the past like summer, I'm gonna get rid of stuff because I'm slowly transitioning to a whole new wardrobe. So a lot of these clothes will slowly but surely be gone, and I'm gonna have all new clothes because you guys, it is time. Some of these things I've had for way too long. So I've slowly been trying to declutter things. So I wanted to wait closer to the end of winter time to do a big declutter. So I just decided to do it now because I kind of know like what I'm already not going to be wearing. So I'm just throwing everything on the ground that I'm not going to be wearing, and then I'm going to take it to Goodwill. I know I don't talk about clothes a lot on my channel, but in case you guys are wondering, some of my favorite stores to shop for clothes are J. Crew, Free People, Anthropologie, Revolve, Target, and some other really cute online boutiques that have really good quality clothing that I'm trying to transition to. So yeah, we're starting fresh in 2023. So what you guys are seeing right now is just the start, or just step one of my closet refresh as far as like my clothing and things like that. Like I told you, I am trying to slowly replace the majority of my clothing. So the first step is to declutter, and then I'm also going to be making sure all of my hangers are the same, so I don't have to really go to the store and purchase more hangers because I already have pretty much the majority of my hangers are all the same. And then step two would probably be adding in some organization tools that will make my clothing look better or hang better. So I do plan on getting some things for my pants and some better organization for my perfumes that are also in my closet. Anyway, when I do get all of that, I will be showing you guys in a future video. Since I got rid of so much stuff, I have so many empty hangers, and I did actually have some hangers that weren't matching, that didn't belong in my closet, so I got rid of those, and I did end up going back and making sure all of my clothes had the same hanger.
Your letter, guess this is better. You win sometimes, lose sometimes, no need to apologize. It was the distance we had between us. It broke us down in disguise, no need to apologize.
So we're back in the kitchen to make some dinner. I'm gonna be making chicken burgers or chicken patties. I don't know what you call it, but they're burgers pretty much. So you're gonna chop up some onion and some garlic. You're gonna add it to a pound of ground chicken along with an egg, some oil, some parsley, salt and pepper. Mix it up really good, form them into patties, put them on a pan and cook them with a little bit of oil until they're done, and then you're gonna serve it on whatever kind of toppings that you like on a burger. So we just did like lettuce, tomato, and I also made a really good homemade spread that I'm gonna show you guys in a second.
Can't say I like it, but I can fight it. Some things are not meant to be, even if it's hard to see. I'll try to let go.
All right, on to the special spread that you're gonna put on your patty. You guys are gonna have to measure with your heart on this one because I have no idea about how much I made, but you're gonna take some mayonnaise, some sriracha, some freshly chopped garlic, a little bit of pickle juice, mix it up really well. You might have to add a little bit more mayonnaise or whatever to make it more thick. Mix it up really well, put that onto your burger patty or your burger bun, and you guys are gonna really love this. I actually don't like sauce on my burgers, but this one was actually really good, so I highly suggest it because I do like tangy and zesty and like spicy things. And as always, I didn't even think to show you guys the end result, but it was so good. This is definitely gonna be on my rotation as far as meals go. But that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm just cleaning up in the kitchen after dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.